Welcome Kakaiba TV. Another sharing old coins from Oman, Arab countries. Sultan Qaboos bin Said, year 1970 to 2020. Standard circulation coin in Islamic calendar, years 1395 to 1418. In English calendar, years 1975 to 1998. Value 50 paisa. Currency Riyal. Composition copper nickel, 75% copper, 25% nickel. 6.4 grams. Diameter 24 millimeter. Thickness 1.97 millimeter. Shape round. Orientation middle alignment. Obverse. National emblem. 2 cross swords with daggers on top. Script Arabic. Translation: Qaboos bin Said, Sultan of Oman. Reverse. Value and center. Date below. Script Arabic. Translation: 50, year 1975. Thank you to all subscribers and viewers. Please share my school blogger. Thank you so much. Shukran. Muito obrigado. Muchas gracias. Mercy. Grazie. Danki. Tomo arigato. Salamat po. Thank you so much. Some details I'm writing below.